morning, respected ma'am and my dear friends. Welcome to Ravit's laboratory. In today's experiment, we shall learn about chemical reaction. Here, I am going to show you how to blow up a balloon using baking soda and vinegar. So, are you ready? We will need plastic bottles, baking soda, balloons, vinegar and food color, which is optional. Now let's see it in action. Add vinegar to plastic bottles. And add food color. Use a funnel to add baking soda to the balloon. And put it over the bottle. Wow! See, the balloon is blowing. Are you curious to know how this happened? When we combine sodium bicarbonate baking soda and acetic acid vinegar, a chemical reaction takes place. A chemical reaction always results in the production of something new. In this particular reaction, the two chemicals from sodium acetate and carbon dioxide, which is the same gas used to make fizzy drinks. What happens when you shake a soda bottle? The carbon dioxide gets excited and tries to spread out. Since there isn't enough room inside the bottle, when we open the bottle, the gas suddenly flows out of the bottle, spilling the soda. In our experiment, the carbon dioxide is produced due to the reaction blows the balloon. I hope you liked the virtual tour to my science lab, enjoyed my experiments and understood the results. Thank you.